Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or whenever you are right now. My name is Windi Wahana. I am a student of English language education in Unixa, and today I would like to present a certain topic in TEFL or teaching English as a foreign language study course. That is strategies to teach writing. Well, without any further ado, let's jump right in. Alright, here are some outlines that I would like to present this moment. The first one is a glance of writing. Second one, importance of writing. And the third one is strategies to teach writing. So let's break them down one by one. Starting from a glance of writing. Well, I think most of the language learners already know that writing is one of the four skills in language learning. Writing is categorized as productive skills in learning a language. Another productive skills in language learning is speaking. Okay, here I already put speaking and writing as the productive skills because when speaking or when writing, we produce something. For example, when speaking, like what I'm doing right now, we produce sound, and in writing, we produce written language. That's why these two skills are categorized as productive skill, while another two skills are categorized as receptive skills, because we don't really produce anything when we're listening or when we're reading. Okay, when we're listening, we are just listening to or receiving the sounds, while we are reading, we are just reading or getting information from something written. That's why listening and reading are categorized as receptive skills. Well, another thing is that writing is also categorized or is also included as a communication media, because why? Written language can be used as to communicate to other people or to public. Okay, now the second discussion is the importance of writing. Here I have divided the three fields where the writing can be beneficial. The first is in education, in workplace, and in society. Each of them has its relation actually. Okay, I would like to discuss it one by one. Okay, in the fields of education, the importance or the skills of writing is very crucial in terms of academic writing. Academic writing, for example, if the bachelor degree or undergraduate students would like to or is about to graduate, then they will create or make kind of thesis or dissertation. That's why the skills of writing, in this case academic writing, is crucial. Another thing is when we want, as a student, want to make kind of content in using digital, then we can be a blogger or a YouTuber using digital-based contents. That's why also the skills of writing is emphasized here. Last but not least is it is used for us students to help, to help us in pursue our career in later life. Why? Because when we want to apply a job, we need to make, or the company requires us to make kind of curriculum vitae. That's why writing skill is needed here in terms of creating or writing curriculum vitae. So that's the importance of writing in education field. Next one, importance of writing in workplace. Okay, in workplace there are also some importance of writing. First, to communicate. Okay, when it comes to electronic communication, then the writing skill is beneficial when we want to send an email or just chatting in social media with our clients. Okay, and then also it is useful when we wanna or when we would like to make a business proposal Like if you want to make a contract agreement, then the writing skill is needed here. Another thing is when we would like to arranging promotion media, like making a catalog, brochure or pamphlet, then the skills of writing is essential here. That's why in the workplace, writing is also important. And how about in society? Okay, moving from the two previous discussion in education and workplace, it actually has a relation with this society. Because why? With our prior skills that we had in our school or in a workplace, then we could then participate in an event, function or social occasion. Like for example, if there is kind of meeting in our organization, then we can give our arguments or just participate in speaking or in conveying something. Another one is, this is the more importantly, is the written language, okay, can help those who are deaf or dumb. It means that by the written language, then the deaf or dumb can stay in touch with us in our society. Alright, now we move on to the strategies to teach writing. Talking about strategies in teaching writing, there are actually many strategies that a teacher can use. However, here I just put a few of them, like mind map, small group discussion, and think, talk, write. Starting from mind map. Okay, mind map is actually a way of linking key concepts using images, lines, and links. According to Busan, he further explains that mind mapping is a technique used to develop thinking activities for each individual. Okay, here I already put the example when a teacher teach a recount text in their class. Okay, the recount text, the name itself is the key center, okay, and then the branch is the elements of the recount text, like the social function, language features, types, and generic structures. So, by showing these elements of recount text, the critical thinking of students can be aroused then. So the students will start thinking that what social function is, generic structure, language feature, and types of recount text. That's why by using mind map, then the critical thinking of individual or students will arise. The second one is small group discussion. I think most of the teachers have already conducted this small group discussion, not only in teaching writing but also in teaching kind of speaking or other skills in language learning. Okay, here a small group discussion is defined as a student-centered methodology that allows students to actively involve in the teaching learning process. Students interact with peers or their friends and instructors to discuss and share ideas. They develop the ability to build consensus in a group. So the final expectation or the final goals of conducting small group discussion is to get the consensus or to get the harmony in a group. Here I already give the examples when a teacher teach procedure text. Okay. Okay, here are the example. Here a group of students is given a certain topic regarding the procedure text, and then further the students can discuss about the topic given by the teacher. And of course, in previously the teacher already explained what the procedure text is and its elements and etc. And here the next assignment or the next activity that the students can do is like making a new procedure text by using the given topic. Okay, and the last but not least is think, talk, write strategy, or abbreviated as WTW. It is a strategy that facilitates the exercise of language, both oral and written, fluently. According to Hunker and Laughlin in Sulkarnaini 2011, the think, talk, write strategy builds in time for thought and reflection and for the organization of ideas before students are expected to write. So, simply the strategy is like this. First, the students are asked to think, to think something related to the material or the certain topics, and then the student have to talk before finally they have to write something. Here I already give the examples when it comes to teaching writing, teaching descriptive text in the class. Okay, first the teacher show the students a certain picture. Here is orange, and then the students have to think about this orange, about its characteristic, about its color, and etc. After that, the students have to talk about what they have taught. For example, maybe like it is circle, and it has leaf, and etc. So they have to talk what they have thought about this picture before. And finally, their talk then put into writing. Okay, that's why I think the think, talk, write is effective when it comes to teaching writing. Well, everyone, that's all my presentation regarding strategies in teaching writing. Hopefully you get something new regarding this topic, and I do apologize for any mistake or mispronounced words during my presentation. And I'm Windi. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.